Hello guys, how are you? Here I am back with a new tutorial how to remove the background noise of your recording. So let us start with this software named Audacity. It's given in the description box where you can download the software Audacity. I'll just open it. Here I have imported an audio file. You can listen to this.
Tutorials how to track your device. Is your phone locked?
So in this audio you can see that it has an irritating background music. So I'll show you how to remove this background noise. So while recording, leave 5 to 10 seconds of audio so that the software knows that this is the background noise. Then select it and go to Effects and Noise Reduction and get Noise Profile. Then click that. Then again go to Noise Reduction. Select all the audio file. So select click Ctrl A. Then again go to Noise Reduction and click OK. It will take some time depending upon your audio. So you can see your audios. Hello and welcome to my tutorials how to track your device. Is your phone. So if you are not satisfied with the removing of the background noise, so you can do the same steps. I'll show you once more. Select it, go to Effects and Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile and click Ctrl A and again go to Effects, Noise Reduction and then click OK. This will take some time and we'll just
Welcome to my tutorials how to track your device. Is your phone lost?
It is stolen by someone, so you can easily find out. I think this is enough for me. If you are not satisfied with the output, then try the same process. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment. It will help us a lot. Thanks for watching.